Okay. Hey there, it's your host, Noah Nonsense. No messing around during this instructional video content. It's going to be every trick with everything I do, and I know a lot of things. So, if you can't follow along, make sure you pause, rewind. If you know it all, put it in fast forward. I don't care. I bet you'll learn something though. So, 3 balls. Cascade, 1 ball version. You're gonna imagine there's an invisible box with corners right here above your eyes, just above your shoulders, and you're gonna throw for that corner and then throw for that corner. Corner, 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 and you're going to do it until it is tediously boring, or about 10 times. That's usually what it takes. So, if you know that, it's time to get a second ball. Aha! Now, you're going to hit each of those corners, throwing straight up. Try and get it about the same height. If they're weird and lopsided, don't worry about it. 10 times is the number. So, just before you're bored to tears, now instead of throwing at the same time, you're going to throw one corner, other corner, one corner, other corner, one corner, other corner. Throw, catch, 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 throw. All right, if any of these steps don't work, go back to the one prior, and then they will. So, we've done the same time, opposite times. Now comes the hardest part of the entire thing. You're going to hold on to them, and you're going to do the wave. You know, like, whoa, whoa. You do at a football stadium, which we don't go to anymore. You're gonna hold them, palms up, and bring one arm up, other arm up, down, down, up, up, down, down, and then right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. So now, if you're doing that with your arms, now you're just gonna throw it up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. How many times? Kids, adults, I imagine you're doing this together, hopefully. You wouldn't let your kids throw things, multiple things in the house without breaking it. Okay, that's about 10. If you can get that, the rest of the juggling is simple. So now, instead of throw, throw, catch, catch, we're gonna go back to it at the same time. We're gonna cross them. They're gonna make an X just above your eyes. Cross, down, cross, down, cross, down. If they're going really wide, make sure and throw a little bit more up. So it's going on a smaller parabola. Sorry, there's math included. So you're crossing. If they hit, awesome. That's super accurate. Okay. 10 of those, piece of cake. It's not actually punishment, it's so that the rest is easy. Because if you get it with 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 is simple. Every trick has a 2 and 3 ball version, a 1 and 2 ball version. Now, up, up, we're gonna combine with the cross, and we're gonna go cross, 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 catch, catch, up, up, down, down, up, up, like the wave, corner, corner, catch, catch, corner, corner, catch, catch, corner, corner, catch, catch. If you can't throw, if you're doing this, which I think probably 99% of people are, you're going to have to not try and catch them and only throw. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Pretty soon you're automatically gonna catch them. Now, the key is the left, right, catch, catch. Make sure you start with your opposite hand. Because if you can do this, you can already juggle 3 balls. Right, left, catch, catch. Left, right, catch, catch. Right, left, catch, catch. Left, right, catch, catch. If you can do that, we can put a 3rd ball in your hands. Piece of cake. Where's the 3rd ball? Right. Right here, where I dropped it. Now, for the next step, you're going to hold 2 balls in your dominant hand. If you're right-handed, it's your right hand. You're going to hold one back here with your back 2 fingers and the other with your front 3 fingers. You're going to do the same thing you were just doing, but don't throw this back ball. Up, up, catch, catch. Up, up, catch, catch. Right, left, catch, catch. Left, right, catch, catch. It's going to be harder to catch it in the hand with more than one ball. So now instead of 1, 2, you're going to count to 3 and make sure you throw all of the balls and do not try and catch them. They should fall right by your feet. Start with the hand with more than one in, and instead of 1, 2, catch, catch, 1, 2, 3, drop, drop, drop. 1, 2, 3. They're crossing one under the other the whole time. What's going to happen is pretty soon you're automatically going to reach for the first one and catch it just fine. 1, 2, 3. Now we're juggling. 1, 2, 3. Even if you can only get 3, you keep walking forwards, something. 3 is all you need, because if you can get 3, you can count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. I can't count that high, but this is what juggling looks like. No problem. Whether it's tiny and small, big and slow, same pattern. The balls are tracing an infinity sign right in front of me, and that's cool. I don't care how old you are. That's the Cascade, and that's the basic trick. That's the basic pattern. When people say, do you know how to juggle? This is what they mean. They don't mean this. That's a different trick coming right up.